All right, so I hope most of you are here. And so while I'm presenting, I request you all to put your questions in the chat. And once I have completed the presentation, I will respond to all the questions. Does that sound good? Just give a thumbs up in chat. Okay, great. Thank you, Gautam. Um, so let me start presenting. I hope the screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, perfect. So I think everyone is aware what TRL FutureX is. Basically, it is a platform where we offer online internships where you all can sign up in your desired courses, and then you can, continue your internship on your own pace. So let me start how you can actually enroll in one of the internship courses. Okay, so first I'll click on sign up. Hold on. Before going to sign up, let me explain actually what all internships are being offered here. So if you see this training and internships tab, you can just click on view all, and you can see here on this page all the internships that are being offered. You have an AI/ML, blockchain, web development, business analytics. These are all the internships that are being offered, right? Now in each internship as well, so let's pick one. Let's say I want to enroll for web development. So in this internship, you can see the different time durations for which you can enroll. So either you can enroll for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months. It is on you, right? Now, when you enroll in any of the internships, you might wonder what you will get, right? So firstly, there are curriculum designed based on the program duration for each course. And at the end of internship, you will get the certificate of completion. Once you enroll in any of the internship, you will get the offer letter and the welcome email from founders. After that, you can like learn at your own pace, complete the internship in the desired time, and then you get the completion letter and the certificate, right? So I will show you the whole process, the documents that you get once you enroll in the internship. So first, I hope that everyone is clear the time durations that we offer in this internship. Next thing, I would like to show the documents. So in this documents tab, you can go to that and you can see what all documents. These are the sample documents that are here. You can just see what all documents you get at the your internship. So one is completion certificate, then offer letter, completion letter, and recommendation letter. So these are the 4 documents you get. Offer letter is the only one that you will get once you enroll. Other 3 documents you will get on your completion. Now, one thing is here, let's say I enrolled for a 1 month course, right? And then I completed it in 15 days. So will I get my completion letter and recommendation letter once I complete it? The answer is no, because the time that you have enrolled for is 1 month. So basically, whatever time you complete your curriculum, you will get your completion letters and certificates at the end of your duration. So whether it is 1 month of time, 3 months of time, 2 months of time, or 6 months of time, you will get at the end. The date will be mentioned, the end date will be mentioned in your offer letter. So you will get those certificates and letters on the end date of your internship. So let me show you how to enroll in one of the internships. So I'll go to sign up. I'll create my account. Then I can get password. And I'll just click on register after filling the details that are asked. Okay. So if you see, we have successfully registered, and this is the page, the dashboard that you will see. Right now, we do not have any courses that I have enrolled, right? So I will go to internships. So let's say I just want to enroll in web development course for maybe 3 months of time. I just click on enroll now. So here, what I can see is there is course information, what this internship covers, like what should be my learning approach, what skills I will gain, and who is this internship meant for, basically. After that, here I can see course content. So these are the modules, and in each module there will be combination of lessons, quiz, and assignment. This assignment will be a mini project which you will have to complete for particular module, right? So you can learn from the lessons and then answer the quiz and then submit the assignment. So for assignment submission, what is important, I would say here. So when you submit any assignment, you have to submit in .txt format, right? Because your instructors will have to evaluate it by running the code if you are submitting any code. And if you are submitting GitHub link, GitHub repository, then that repository needs to be public URL so that instructors can access it. These are the two formats that you can submit, and you can receive the evaluation from instructor. Now, I will add this to cart. Go to cart and then proceed to checkout. Now here I can fill my details, billing address details, my email ID, just come India. So here I'll say Gujarat, just enter city. And phone number. Right, so these are the things I will add, and then I have to I will click on I agree, and then just click on pay now. So this is where I can see the payment details. I can choose from what payment method I want to pay. It can be credit card, debit card, net banking, wallet, or UPI. So this is what you will have to fill and click on pay now, right? So just let me admit to other people. Okay. So once you click on pay now, what will happen next? Let me show you that. So let's say I have clicked on pay now. I have already purchased a course, already enrolled in one of the internships. So I'm just showing you what email I got. So this is the email that I have got. So congratulations, your internship offer letter for 3 months of development. And here is the attachment. So you see here the start date and end date. So my start date is this and my end date is 15 October 2020. So this is the date I will get my certificates and letters of completion that I mentioned earlier. Okay, now let me show you how actually the dashboard looks when you have enrolled in course and what all things you can do there. Let me go to the dashboard. So you see, I have enrolled in 3 courses and none completed yet. So there are this many courses that I can see. I can see notifications of enrollment here. I can see announcements here. Now, there are other things that you can do from each course. Basically, let me go to web development course, right? So you see this now, there are modules you can visit and see each lesson, what exactly is mentioned in each lesson, and then completely understand the course. You can also create notes if you want in each lesson, and then you will have to answer the quiz. But here you can see I have not yet completed the other courses. I will not be able to do the quiz. Let me just admit few more people. More okay. So these are the things that you'll be able to see once you uh, enroll in particular course. So you can see all the modules, all the courses, but until you complete this lesson, you will not be able to start the second lesson. So you have to go in the same way. Like right now, let me go back to. So this is my course. I show you this information, the lessons that you will be able to see. Then there are announcements. Now this part is very important. Whenever there will be announcement from TRL FutureX, you will be able to see it here. So if you see there was this live session that was organized by TRL FutureX. So every week TRL FutureX organizes 3 live sessions on certain topics where you get a chance to meet the expert and understand the topic that is being explained in that live session, and you get a chance to basically interact directly with the experts rather than waiting for certain answers, right? So whenever certain announcement pops up in your course, you just have to register. Until and unless you register, you will not get the invite for that session in your email, right? So you will hear about the live sessions from your course or from your email. But until and unless you register, you will not be able to join the session. Now, so these are the internships that you see. And this is the dashboard where you'll be able to manage all your things. Also, one more thing, you can uh, ask questions and everything in uh, through your dashboard basically. So in dashboard, there is this question and answer tab. Right now, there are no questions uh, here, but you can basically ask questions. There will be questions you can put your answer. So it is more like a forum where you get to communicate and answer the doubts. You can put up your queries here, and maybe the experts from TRL FutureX or someone who has already attempted that course, they can answer those questions. So yes, so these are the things that you can do. Now let me stop sharing and then maybe I can answer the questions that you all might have. Okay, so if anyone have any questions, you can raise your hand and ask. You can drop a thumbs up if you have understand the process of enrolling in particular course. Okay, so I think I am seeing few thumbs up here. I think the process was simple and most of you have understood it. I've assumed that. But if you have any questions regarding this onboarding process, if you see any payment failures, I would suggest try again if payment has failed once. But if that happens multiple times, then uh, you can drop email to info@trlfuturex.com. And also, if there are any questions related to enrolling in particular course, you can definitely email on info@trlfuturex.com. And for your help, we will be posting this whole process on YouTube, and the link will be shared. So basically, you can go on YouTube and look at the video again if there are any confusions related to enrollment process. I think many of you have joined later in the demo, so that YouTube video will be helpful for you to understand the process. But still, if you have any doubts, you can contact TRL FutureX. If anyone have any questions right now, I am happy to answer. Okay, show me a thumbs up if the process understood. So thank you, Ashutosh. Thank you, Shubhashri.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Jagdeep.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm a seventh semester student, final year student. So I
Mhm.
joined later in this meeting. So I want multiple questions, ma'am. What are the process providing your company? What are the role? Can you explain me shortly, ma'am? Because I late joined.
Yeah, that's okay. So the process of enrolling uh, in a particular course, is that what you are asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Jagdish, it is there are courses, there are multiple courses available on TRL FutureX where you can enroll in the one that you want to opt for. So let me share my screen quickly one more time.
Okay.
So I hope you are able to see this screen.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Back. So this is the main page where you can go to explore internships, or you can go choose particular internship from this menu as well. Let's say I want
Okay.
to opt for mobile app development. So there are four different durations in which you can enroll: 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months. So let's say I want to enroll for 1 month of duration. I'll just click on enroll now. Now I can see the course page, the content of the course. Like there are two modules for 1 month, and there will be lessons in each module, and then there will be a quiz per module and assignment per module. For assignments, it is recommended that you give .txt file as a submission, and if you are giving GitHub repository, then that repository needs to be public. Only then instructors will be able to evaluate your submission. Now, basically, then you can go to add to cart for this course, and you can just proceed to checkout, where you will see this payments page. So that is the enrollment process.
Yeah, ma'am. Already I enrolled for 1 month.
Okay, that's good to hear. Now, what documents you will get, that you can see here. These are the sample documents. So when you complete your internship, So you saw that you told that you have enrolled for 1 month, right? So it is
Yes.
on your ability or your capacity, how quickly or on what time you complete the internship. So let's say you completed it in 20 days or 15 days, but you will get your completion certificate, completion letter, and recommendation letter at the end date that is mentioned in your offer letter.
Okay.
So you will not get when like in 15 days or 20 days. You
Yeah.
will get these certificates only when your duration is completed. And
Okay.
in between, you can, if you have any doubts, you can reach out to TRL FutureX by like sending an email on info@trlfuturex.com. And you can also put up question answer in your forum. So that is something I showed. So you can go to your dashboard and you can just go here, question and answer, and you can add your questions. You'll see here the answers to your questions, and you can add questions as well from your course.
Okay. Ma'am, after we'll complete the that course, what all the benefits are I getting?
Benefits is first thing you will have learned or you have completed one internship, so you have gained an understanding of the like the course that you have enrolled, right? You'll have that skill set with you. Those are
Okay.
the benefits you get, right? And you also can show your completion letter or recommendation letter to your college.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So those are the things that you get.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So anyone with any other questions? The people who just joined, so this video will be available on YouTube. So you can go and check there for how to enroll in a course. And for people who are already here, if you have any doubts after this meeting, then of course you can go to YouTube and look for it, or you can reach out by sending an email to TRL FutureX. Okay, then I think this was all about it. If you have any questions, yes, so ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Uh,
morning.
Ma'am, basically, I have a doubt in the a course having multiple modules, and the
Mhm.
modules have each task, and we have completed every task. Then it shows pending option. Why is showing the pending?
So have you already completed any of
No, I have just started the course, and each module has one task, and after completing the task, it's showing the pending thing.
maybe you'll have to wait for the instructor to like evaluate and give you feedback. Maybe at that time you'll see this option of it is not pending.
Okay.
Is that all you want to ask? Someone?
Yes, ma'am.
This does the answer help?
But actually, ma'am, the pending option showing for the multiple times, and it was completing many modules. After many modules, it also showing that problem.
Okay, then I'll check and get back to you. Okay,
Okay, okay, ma'am.
thank you. Yes, Savannah.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Actually, I want to ask about that offer letter. That offer letter is for the completion of the internship or joining of anything else.
No, no. So offer letter is the only document that you will receive when you enroll in any of the internships. So once I like do the payment of internship within 10 minutes or within a day, I will receive my offer letter.
Ma'am, actually, I want to ask that the offer letter, for what purpose we are getting that offer letter?
Offer letter is your appointment letter, right? Like it is more like you have received an offer to start your internship.
Okay, ma'am.
Anyone else with any question? Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, there are multiple courses available in your website. Is there are multiple role are there in your companies for the?
So during an internship period, whatever domain or whatever course you purchase, the designation is going to be very similar. Whether it can be a program analyst or it can be intern. So those are the things that is being offered in your internship.
Okay, but ma'am, actually our college said that we have to enroll in at least one courses. If somebody done two or more courses, then as he will get a better opportunity or
So understand one thing: these courses are available for you all to like excel or and gain skills in different uh, domains, right? So either if you enroll in web development and AI/ML, so you will have knowledge about two different domains,
okay,
right? So you will receive two different offer letters
okay.
for
But
that.
it depends upon course.
Yes,
If somebody gets an offer letter, it depends upon the course.
yes.
Okay,
So there will be that course name mentioned in the offer letter.
okay,
So if you enroll in multiple internships, you will get different offer letter and completion letters and certificates for each course separately.
okay. Ma'am, is somehow your companies have multiple job roles in?
So it is more like when you end up in market, you work in multiple domains. It is not
Okay,
only one domain.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes. So
Ma'am, I have regarding the offer letter.
yes.
Ma'am, in the offer letter, there you will mention that the designation and the internship duration, start date and end date, as well as work hours.
Hmm.
Ma'am, in work hours, you mentioned that it should be 9:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to know what is the work hour indicates. Means we have to submit our assignment in the particular time or yes, ma'am.
Okay. So actually a good question. So these work hours, uh, when you are learning, you can learn at your own pace. That is something I mentioned, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you can learn at any time, you can submit assignments at any time. But whenever you have any doubts or questions, or if you are hearing from one of the experts assigned by TRL FutureX, that will be in that time duration.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. And that is mentioned that denotes that this is a full-time internship for you all. I know
Yes,
that
ma'am.
it is online, but there are no restricted hours. It is flexible.
Yes, ma'am. Because I think that during this time we have to submit our assignment, so that I asked this
Yeah,
question.
that's okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you.
Anyone else have any questions? I think as of now, the enrollment process is clear to you all. So regardless, if you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to TRL Future. And yeah, thank you for joining everyone and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.